Here we have the feet anchored crunches, which could be under dumbbells. They need to be heavy enough to support you. It could be under some other equipment, but just make sure that wherever you put your feet under, it is very sturdy and stable. You don't want it to accidentally pull up on whatever you have, like a shelf or a table, and being unstable will fall onto you and injuring you. So make sure that the anchoring equipment is very stable. So with the dumbbells, if it moves a little bit, it won't do too much damage, but it does help a little bit to get your body up higher. So your hands could be on your thighs or next to you on the floor. Being careful not to overly reach with your chin or your shoulders. We're simply bringing our upper back and shoulder off the ground to engage the front of our body, the core or the abs. Slow and controlled is the name of the game. That is the feet anchored crunches.